In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pen tool in Figma. With your design open, start by selecting the Pen tool from the toolbar or simply press P on your keyboard. The Pen tool is how you create precise vector networks by placing anchor points, also called nodes, and connecting them with paths. Think of these points as the skeleton of your shape. The lines between them are what you'll refine into straight edges or smooth curves. To draw clean, straight lines, click once to place your first point. Move your cursor and click again to place the next point. Each click adds a new segment to the path. Keep clicking to build the path segment by segment. If you want perfectly aligned geometry, hold Shift as you place points to snap your segments to 45-degree increments. This is especially helpful for grids, interfaces, and icons where consistent angles matter. To create curves, click and drag when placing a point. Dragging reveals bezier handles. These handles control the curvature. The direction you drag sets the curve's direction, and the length of each handle sets how tight or gentle the curve will be. Short handles create tighter bends, longer handles smooth things out. You can mix straight and curved segments by clicking for a corner and clicking and dragging for a smooth transition on the next point. When you are ready to turn a path into a closed shape, hover over your very first anchor point. You'll see a small circle appear next to the cursor. Click that starting point, and Figma closes the path to form a shape. Closing a shape lets you style it as a single object with fills and strokes, which is useful for icons, logos, and UI elements. To refine your work, switch to the Move tool by pressing V. Drag any existing point to reposition it and adjust the overall form. You can also double-click a shape to enter Edit mode, which focuses your view on individual nodes and segments for precise control. Inside Edit mode, you can add new points directly on a path wherever you need extra definition. For smooth sculpting, use the Bend tool to adjust curves without introducing bumps. The Bend tool is great for nudging arcs and balancing symmetry across a shape. To further modify curves, use the Bend tool or hold Ctrl or CMD while clicking a point to add or adjust bezier handles. This lets you convert a sharp corner into a smooth point or fine-tune existing handles to perfect the slope and flow. Practice using fewer, well-placed points for smoother results, and refine with handles as needed. Thanks for watching.